ain't ready yet. Wait.
Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. Today we are going to be dyeing some pretty kinky straight hair from 3 Queens Global Hair Extensions. You can find them on Instagram. All of their information will be down below in the description box. Okay, so yes, they did send me this beautiful kinky straight hair to review, and I decided, hey, I wanted to dye it a very pretty color. So yes guys, as you can see, this hair is nice and full and thick, and it's like a semi kinky. It just reminds me of some just beautiful black girl hair, you know. So yeah, I did get 4 bundles of 20 inches in the kinky straight, and this is in a pretty black color. So you guys will see me transform this beautiful hair into this nice ginger spice color, perfect for spring, fall, and summer. Okay, so you are going to need some bleach. I did get the Clearwater Professional Basic White Extra Strength. This is the big tube. This was like $15.99. You need some 40 developer. You need a bowl and a brush, and I like the wisps so I can get the perfect consistency. You need extra gloves and aluminum foil, and you might want to, like, you know, put down a towel or some newspaper so you don't damage your, you know, bathroom or floor wherever you're dyeing your hair or the weave. So here I'm just putting on my gloves, guys, to show you guys safety first. Don't try doing it with your hands because the bleach will burn. Okay, so yes, I'm just gonna I don't really need to measure the bleach because I know what I'm doing, but if you guys are new to this, definitely watch a few videos or read the instructions. I like to just start off slow. I'm adding 2 scoops and some developer, and I'm just gonna wisp away. The wisp is very easier. You don't really need it. I just like it because it works a little faster for me, and I just like to get it to a yogurt like consistency, and then I'll just, you know, apply it onto the hair thoroughly where I want it. And then yeah, boom guys, I'll just continue this process on all 4 bundles because I wanted to at first I was gonna ombre it, but I figured, hey, why don't I just do like 95% of the bundle and call it a day. So yeah guys, you're gonna see me bleaching the hair first, and then I'll go ahead and color the hair after, so stay tuned. Also guys, here's another tip. Basically, when you're dyeing hair, you just want to make sure you get all of the strands of hair. You want to make sure you get the one side and then flip it over to the other side, and make sure all of the hairs are fully coated with the bleach, unless you're doing like streaks or something or highlights. But if you're trying to get, you know, all the hair in a good popping ass vibrant, you know, hair application going, you want to make sure you do what I'm doing here, which is like, you know, opening their hair a little bit, getting all in there. Okay, you want to make sure you have a comb on board so you can kind of comb through the hair as you're going. Okay, you just want to make sure you fully get in there. You know, I'm turning it on the other side, and I have my wide tooth comb on board so I can comb out the hair just so I can get it on there, you know, fully coated and thoroughly. And guys, another thing, this hair bleached fast and just so well, you know. It bleached a good amount of time, and you guys will see it turning after like maybe like 6 or 7 minutes. And as you see here, I'm combing through. There's like no hair on the comb. And yeah, this was a very easy process dyeing. I just enjoyed doing it. It was fun, it wasn't hard. And yeah, you just want to work it in there. And I like to roll it up with the aluminum foil and then move on to the next bundle. Okay guys, so now after maybe 30 minutes or so, I was just checking on the hair to make sure, you know, it wasn't burning or anything. And yes, this is after 30 minutes. As you guys can see, it's so beautiful and golden and like a cute golden blonde. Look how pretty, guys. I could have left it that color, but I'm extra, so I wanted something a little bit more extreme. And as you guys can see, this is how the hair came out. This is after me conditioning the hair. You know, I left the bleach on for a total of 45 minutes. So this is afterwards. I did cover my table with a plastic bag. As you guys can see, it's a very pretty chestnut brown. And I actually could have left it this color, but I'm extra and I didn't want to let the rinse go to waste. So today I will be using the Adore Cinnamon color. This color is so pretty. I fell in love with it when I used it the first time. So yes guys, this is how I honestly dye my hair, and it works out fine. As you guys can see, whenever I dye my hair, it's always vibrant and pretty. Another secret that I have, guys, I leave my rinse or dyes, whatever we usually rinses, I leave them on the weave for about 24 hours. So this helps, you know, the hair marinate more into, let the color marinate into the hair. Okay, so this is how I do it. I have my comb on board as well so that I can comb through it and get it in there. Okay, so you can actually, you know, do it your way, but this is how I like to do it. I like to just marinate the color, work it in there, get it in there. Okay, and yeah, that's how I do it. So I like to just work it in there, work it in there, work it in there. Okay, I only used 2 bottles. I was actually surprised. I thought I would need more, but 2 bottles was good enough for 4 bundles of 20 inches. Okay, so, and as you guys can see, I only did like 75% of the bundle. And yeah, so that's how I did it. So I used 1 bottle on 2 bundles and the other bottle on the other 2 bundles. So yes, just worked it in there. And what I liked about this color too was, being that it was already a nice chestnut color with the cinnamon rinse, it kind of gave it a nice you know, its own pretty beautiful duo color. Okay, so again, this color would be perfect for spring, fall. Honestly, it's a timeless color, so definitely try this color, guys. I think it's pretty, you know. It reminds me of a nice hot summer day with lemonade, you know, stands outside, the ice cream truck running, you know. I mean, the kids running for the ice cream trucks. Like, just a very pretty color. So yes, guys, this is how I dye my hair. It's very easy, and it's kind of lazy how I do it, because I don't even like wrap it in aluminum foil. I just like to wrap it in a trash bag and sit it on my table for 24 hours, and then when I get off work, I come back and then I wash it out and hang it up. But yeah, and as you guys can see, honestly, I had no shedding throughout this whole process. Like, this hair is literally good, guys. Definitely hit them up. 3 Queens Global Extensions. They are a new company, but the hair is banging. They have all types of freaking curls, straight hair, curly hair, deep curly, water wave, anything you want, they have it, guys. And they have blonde, red, all types of colors. And she's very affordable, and she's professional. Definitely check her out. You do have to DM to order, but hey, I love it. And this hair is just bomb. Honestly, guys, no shedding at all. And I like to just wrap the hair up in the plastic bag, tie it up, and forget about it.
Cause I know a couple bitches who will go, ayy. Bust a couple shots through your doorway. Looking like a scene from Grey's Anatomy. Watch what you say when you at me. Cause I know a couple bitches who will go, ayy. Bust a couple shots through your doorway. Looking like a scene from Grey's Anatomy. Watch what you say when you at me. I get more head than a bundle. My vision on tunnel. Bitch, I'm from the jungle. That's why I stay humble. Rick Owens flannel with the hot tops. Posted at the chicken spot.
Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent, and if you guys is liking this beautiful hair, guess where it's from? It's from 3 Queens Hair Global Extensions, okay? And you can find them on Instagram. You do have to DM to order. She's so kind and nice, guys. I freaking love her. And this is her Kinky Straight. As you guys can see, it colors so beautifully, and it's so nice and full, and it can curl with no issues, okay? Definitely check her out, okay? Let her know GlamNefercent sent you. She's also affordable. And get you some summertime fine hair, girl.